gorgeous Tanya in my chair. If you guys don't know her by now, she is the owner of Glam Boutique in Wakefield, which is just a few minutes down the street it's called Wakefield Commons?
The Wakefield side with Harris Teeter and Rex.
Okay.
Opposite of the movie theater side.
And next to that juice place.
Kiwi Smoothie and San Jose Mexican restaurant.
Yes, oh my God, both of those places are really good. So I wanted to show you off my pants today. I got fancy, y'all. And these pants are from Glam. And you guys, I got it off her rack.
The 60% off rack.
The 50% off rack. So I got a steal for these beauties. They're so comfortable. I love them. I feel like kind of like MC Hammer meets Tanya.
The shirt dress is also on a 60% off rack. We have 2 left. Classic shirt dress with a twist.
Nice. And then she has currently 60% off her summer clothing, and she's got new fall stuff coming in
every day.
So I'm really excited. I can't wait to check out fall. I'm ready for boots and skinny jeans and sweaters. Yes. Awesome. So today we are also here because I'm going to do highlights. I'm going to touch up her roots.
We're going to change the line.
And then, you guys see how curly her hair is? We are actually going to do a Brazilian keratin treatment. That is going to take her hair from this frizzy hair. It's still going to have curl, but it won't be frizzy anymore. So, here to explain a little bit about it is 𝗧𝗢𝗏. Come on over. Come on down. You are the next contestant on the Toned Show. This is 𝗧𝗢𝗏. She is actually going to be doing the Brazilian treatment. I'm going to do the color on Tanya today. You want to explain what the Brazilian entails and what she can expect?
Sure. So what we do is we wash her with a clarifying shampoo, and then we will blow out her hair with a boar's hair brush. Then we'll flat iron. And what that's going to do is it's just going to kind of get rid of the frizz. So when she does blow dry her hair real quick, it's going to be a nice curl, and basically just gets rid of the frizziness, and so she'll have a nice curl.
And after she clarifies, she will put the treatment on. I think
yes,
you forgot the product.
I did. I forgot the whole product, yeah.
So she'll put the Brazilian treatment on her hair.
Then we flat iron.
Then you flat iron. And then how long can she expect this to last?
About 8 to 12 weeks. It's a semi-permanent, so it's not going to last forever, but
yeah, about 8 to 12 weeks, depending on how much you wash your hair, and how much you're messing with your hair.
So it also makes drying easier.
Yes.
And easier for me to do by myself.
Yes, definitely.
For sure. I mean, she could leave the house essentially and just rock her natural curls without any of the frizz or blowing up in this humidity out here still.
Right.
So yeah, that's exciting. What are some don'ts? Salt water?
Yeah.
So no pools, no ocean.
It's just going to make it last less time.
Yeah, so that stuff will strip the product off, so you want to make sure that you're using high quality salon products as well. Sulfate free, paraffin free.
Yeah, there's a Brazilian shampoo and conditioner that we recommend you use after you have the service done.
Cool. All right, guys, we're going to start working on the beautiful Tanya. We'll definitely have some after pictures for y'all. Okay?
Bye.